This message was transmitted at the request of the New Orleans Police Department. We found mysterious people from an unknown country. Some people think the mysterious people are Chinese, but we are not sure if they are Chinese. We will find out if the rumors are true or not. Stay tuned for more updates about the situation from later on. This message was transmitted at the request of the New Orleans Police Department. We have found out that these mysterious people are indeed Chinese. We also found out that those Chinese people are from our enemy, the People's Republic of China, but we are still not sure if these Chinese are hostile or not. Stay tuned for the latest updates regarding this situation. This message was transmitted at the request of the Louisiana State Police. Evacuate immediately. The NOPD, New Orleans Police Department, found out that the Chinese people are indeed hostile, and they threatened that they will launch a nuclear bomb in the next 5 hours to destroy the city of New Orleans. Evacuate immediately. If you refuse to evacuate, move to the closest fallout shelter nearby. Fallout is a deadly product that comes from a nuclear explosion, so everyone, evacuate New Orleans now, or you will face certain death. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This message was transmitted at the request of the United States government. The nuclear bomb from 5 hours ago has exploded in New Orleans, and now China is launching 7 nuclear missiles to 7 states. These states include Louisiana, Texas, California, Wyoming, Mississippi, Arkansas, and Florida. If you live in one of these states, seek fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is a deadly product that comes from a nuclear explosion. This is the emergency alert system, serving the New Orleans area. If you are not in the served area, tune into a channel that serves your area. This is the emergency alert system, serving the New Orleans area. This message was transmitted at the request of the United States government. The 7 nuclear missiles have exploded and almost the entire United States was destroyed, and there was no way we could stop those missiles. We have a message from the President of the United States. Here is his message.
My fellow Americans, this happened to be the darkest moment in USA history. Chinese people attacked New Orleans with a nuclear bomb. Then later, China launched 7 nuclear missiles to 7 states, and almost the entire United States was destroyed. There was absolutely no way we could stop these missiles, but still, try to have a good day. This ends my message.
That was a message from the President of the United States. Stay tuned for more updates regarding this situation. This message was transmitted at the request of the United States government. The fallout has cleared up from the country, but there is still lots of damage to fix in the states that were bombed, but still, we will continue our normal programming. This message was transmitted at the request of the United States government. After 7 long years, the damage that was caused has been fixed. The most damaged state was Louisiana due to the attack on New Orleans, but the damage was fixed over there too. Thank you all for participating. You can get out of your fallout shelter now, and thank you for staying calm through this time.